Hey, what's up everybody? It's time for another 100 Mondays. As you can see, I'm still continuing the pencil work on the mural of Rohan for my future nephew. Getting onto those cliffs and all those, details with the rocks and everything. As I said before, I'm juggling 3 pieces. This, the Ewok, and that other commission. So I'm going to be pretty busy. I'm always busy, but anyway. Still churning and creating. Hey everybody, it's time for 100 Mondays, and as you can see, I'm working still on my Ewok. I've moved along it just a little bit. Got a little bit of the brown on the fur, got a little bit past the little hoodie jacket that he wears. I put a little bit on the spear, so it's coming along slowly. Remember, I'm working on 3 pieces all at once. Not that I'm trying to make excuses, but it's a lot. So I'll see you guys next time. So then finally here on 100 Mondays, we have the commission piece that I'm doing, that Staff of Aaron piece that I've already completed the desert part, the sky so far. And now I'm trying to see if I can work on the staff, make it more, work on the flowers and the almonds and everything that's coming out of this. So it's a commission. It's not my usual fare, but these little commissions, I guess they come in handy. So see you guys next time.